Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish stock from fish carcass. First, gather your fish parts, ensuring you remove any gills or scales for a cleaner flavor. Give them a good rinse under cold water to wash away any lingering bits. Next, prepare your aromatics. Roughly chop 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These vegetables will infuse your stock with a wonderful depth of flavor, creating a delicious base for many dishes. Now, let's get cooking. Place your rinsed fish parts and chopped vegetables into a large stock pot. Cover everything with about 8 cups of cold water. Add 1 bay leaf and approximately 10 whole black peppercorns to the pot. Slowly bring the mixture to a very gentle simmer over medium heat. Once it just begins to bubble, reduce the heat to low to maintain a very light simmer, avoiding a rolling boil. As your stock gently simmers, you'll notice some foam rising to the surface. Use a ladle or a large spoon to carefully skim this off. It helps keep your stock clear and clean. Continue to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's important not to cook fish stock for too long, as it can develop a bitter taste. Once done, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. After straining, let your delicious fish stock cool down completely to room temperature. This is crucial before you store it. You can then transfer the cooled stock into airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or you can freeze it for several months for longer storage. This homemade stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and risottos. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.